Hey everyone, it's Kelsey from Mattress Advisor. You can't see me, but I am here just in my supernatural form because today we've got the ghost bed in the Mattress Advisor Lab. Tune in as we put it to the ultimate test and then reveal our Mattress Advisor score. And I guess now would be a good time to reveal myself too. Before we jump in, here's the skinny on the ghost bed. The ghost bed is a medium firm latex mattress with a gel memory foam layer. A queen size mattress will cost you about $800. It comes with free shipping, free returns, and a 101 night trial period. Fun fact, the owner of Ghostbed used to be afraid of ghosts hiding under his bed as a kid, which is how the name Ghostbed was created. The ghost bed comes compressed and rolled up in a box. A queen mattress weighs 89 pounds, so you will want to recruit some help with setting this up. The mattress took 2 people at about 2 minutes to set up. However, the lack of handles on the box made it a little tricky to maneuver. Once it was out of the box, the rest was easy breezy. The ghost bed was a little smelly when we opened it, but it went away by the end of the day. So for ease of setup, we give it a 7. If you share your bed with someone else, you want it to feel like they're not even there. Almost like they're a ghost. No one likes waking up in the middle of the night because their sleeping partner is moving around or doing trust falls in their sleep. So let's take a peek at how well the ghost bed keeps motion transfer at a minimum. First, we conducted our wine test because we got thirsty, but also because it is a great visual indicator of how much motion is being transferred from one side of the bed to the other. We had RJ lie down and roll back and forth a few times on the other side to see how much of the glass and the wine inside of it moved. No sweat, and most importantly, that wine is safe. Next, we took a more human approach to measuring motion transfer. We replaced the wine glass with an actual person to see how much movement they felt. We had both RJ and Asha rate this on a scale from 1 to 10, with 10 being no movement at all. Both gave it a solid 7, noting some slight disturbances as the other moved around. So for motion transfer, the ghost bed gets a combined score of 7.5 out of 10. If you find yourself hugging the edge of your bed or you use the end of your bed to look for ghosts under the mattress, then you will definitely want to pay attention to our edge support test. First, we ask RJ and Asha to sit at the end of the bed to tie their shoes. We had them rate the level of support on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being extremely easy with exceptional edge support. They gave it a combined 9.5 out of 10. Spooky good. Next, we asked them to lie on the edge of the bed in multiple positions, side, stomach, and back, to see if they felt that they could sleep comfortably on that section of the bed. For this one, they gave it a combined 7.5 out of 10, indicating a slight dip in support. So for edge support, the ghost bed gets an 8.5 out of 10. All right, guys, for our pressure relief test, we are cranking things up a notch. The way we measure pressure relief is by using a pressure mapping foam that shows how much pressure is placed on different parts of the body. All you need to know is that the blue spots are good and the red spots are bad. When RJ and Asha were on the ghost bed, we noticed some pressure in the shoulders and hips, particularly when they were on their sides. So for pressure relief, the ghost bed gets a 6.5 out of 10. Did you know that keeping a good posture while you're awake is just as important as good sleeping posture? Let's take a look at how well the ghost bed keeps your spine in a straight line. We had RJ and Asha lie down on their side, and once they were settled, we took a close-up of their backs to see the alignment. Ideally, we want to see a straight line from the spine all the way up through the neck. We saw a slight curve for each of them, so we give it a 7.5 out of 10 for spine alignment. This next test is going to measure the responsiveness of the ghost bed mattress, or in other words, how well it adjusts to different positions and movements while you sleep. Instead of placing a bunch of dumbbells on top of the mattress to see what happens, we would rather show you how you, a real human, might feel on it. So we had RJ and Asha lie on the ghost bed in each sleeping position, back, stomach, and side. As they changed positions and got settled in, we asked them how the mattress adjusted or responded to their movement. They rated the experience on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being it adjusted perfectly and instantly to the new position. They gave it a combined 8.5 out of 10. Okay guys, I know you have been anxiously awaiting this moment, and it is finally here. It is time to reveal the Mattress Advisor Score for the Ghost Bed Mattress. Our score is a weighted average out of 10 that incorporates functional and performance characteristics of the mattress, as well as the Social Responsibility Score, which is a measure of social mission, community involvement, and charitable partnerships. Cue the drum roll. The Mattress Advisor Score for the Ghostbed Mattress is 8.6. Thanks for tuning in today to learn more about the Ghostbed Mattress. If you want to take a deeper look at any of these scores, just head on over to the Ghostbed Review at mattressadvisor.com. Now it is time for me to get some supernatural slumber.